Namaste, a commonly used greeting in both Indian and Western cultures, holds a rich and profound meaning beyond a simple hello. Derived from two Sanskrit words, namama and te, it signifies a deep sense of respect and acknowledgement of the divine essence within each individual. The ancient Hindu scripture, Vedas, interprets Namaste as I bow to the divine within you. This gesture encapsulates not just a form of greeting but also humility, politeness, courtesy, and hospitality. It serves as a reminder to embrace the inherent divinity within oneself and others. Furthermore, Namaste is not merely a word but a way of life, reflected in various forms of rituals, dance steps, Angeli Mudra, and even in yoga practice. By understanding the true essence of Namaste, we are encouraged to not only show respect to others but also to embark on a journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. The next time you greet someone with Namaste, remember the profound significance it carries and the invitation it extends to recognize the sacred within ourselves and others.